The festive season is nearly upon us, but it looks like the flu season might be here already. Cases, according to Chris Whitty, the Chief Medical Officer, are now rising rapidly. So how worried should we be? Well, in the last couple of weeks, cases rose sharply. In the latest data, flu positivity rates up to the 26th of November were at 6.5% compared to 3.9% the week before. Low, but rising as fast as they did in the 2022-23 season, which was the worst we've had in 5 years. Flu appears to be rising fastest in school-aged children. Now, that's fairly typical, as viruses like flu spread easily in schools, and it's the main reason kids are offered a vaccination to protect the elderly who are most at risk of getting seriously ill. Now, on that front, the situation isn't too bad. Hospital admissions for flu are still low and so far not rising as fast as cases. However, the CMO has just authorised the use of antiviral drugs against flu, routine when the season gets underway, but triggered in part because of a doubling of flu outbreaks in care homes in the latest week.
It is very early days in the flu season and we are higher than we were this time last year. We do expect hospital admissions to continue to increase. So we'd urge anyone who hasn't yet received their vaccine and is in an eligible group to get vaccinated.
On vaccines, uptake in the over 65s, one of the most vulnerable groups, is currently tracking below 2023. However, jabs for most adults were rolled out a month later this year to try and ensure longer protection through the winter season, so coverage is expected to rise a bit more. It's really too early to tell how bad this flu season might be, but what went on down under can be a guide. Australia's winter flu season during our summer was nasty. The peak in cases here in turquoise spread over 4 months and was the highest number of cases they've had in 6 years. Now, this can't serve as a prediction. So many factors, even how cold it is, come into play. The situation in Australia was attributed in part to low vaccine uptake. However, warning enough to anyone eligible for a flu jab here in the UK who hasn't yet had one.